Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me here on my back porch. I mean, this is a sign of the times. Many of you are still in your homes. Most of you probably are working from home. Uh, and as you know, we're going to begin gradually moving back to campus. But the most important thing you should keep in mind is that our primary concern is your health, your safety, and your well-being. Over the next few months, as we gradually move back into campus, we'll have flexible work schedules. Many of you will still work from home or work from home on a rotating basis. And when you come back to campus, the campus you come back to won't be very much like the campus you left. We put social distancing measures in. We will require face masks, and we're going to ask you to wear those masks. We've got to take care of one another. It's important. You'll find that the standards we have for cleaning and for cleanliness have just gone out the roof. We're taking every step possible to ensure your safety. I know you have to be worried about the recent increases in COVID-19 cases. I am too. The truth of the matter is, anytime we went back before a vaccine was, widely used, there would be some kind of increase in the number of COVID cases. That's COVID-19 cases. By sheltering in place, we didn't defeat the virus. What we did was just minimize it. We essentially artificially halted its spread. As we come back to work and as our society generally opens up, what we have to do is use those common sense measures that will help ameliorate the spread of that disease and ensure our own personal safety and well-being, but also the safety and well-being of our entire university community. Remember, this is a time for us to look out for each other. This part of the message is for our students in particular, but our faculty and staff as well. Now, we're going to deliver classes in the fall using 4 different formats. We know that people have different levels of comfort about face-to-face instruction. So you're going to have some options when you put together your schedule. And here are the 4 things we're going to do. We're going to have some traditional in-person classes on campus. Now, these classes will be offered in oversized classrooms where there is social distancing, face masks, all of the things that will be required to ensure health and safety. And many classes don't lend themselves to other kinds of instruction. So for those classes, we'll have on campus, but we'll take care of your health and well-being as we do that. The other thing we're going to do is asynchronous online classes. And that means that's kind of your traditional online class where not everybody is meeting at the same time. It's asynchronous, right? And when you think of online, that's traditionally what you think of. So those kinds of classes you'll simply take online. Many of you students have already done that. And we've gotten pretty good at that. Our faculty, the vast majority of them, have received significant training in that. And they've had a couple of semesters to get it right. So we think we'll do that right. We're going to have some synchronous online classes as well. And those are classes where you come to class, but you just like you're watching your computer or your iPhone right now, that's what you'll be doing with the synchronous online classes. And again, some of you already have experience there, and our faculty does. Then lastly, we're going to have some hybrid classes. And that's kind of a mix of online and in-person. And, for things, labs will be a good example. The portion of the labs that you can do online, you'll do online. The portion that you have to do on campus, you can do on campus, and we'll have maybe only a few students in a lab at a time. You'll be there on a rotating basis. So we'll take care of you in that way. Now, a complete list of how each class will be delivered is currently being developed, and we'll share that with with everybody as soon as we get it done. It shouldn't be very long now, but our faculty are working carefully with the department chairs and deans to get this done right now. Remember, it takes some extra planning because for those things on class, face-to-face, we have to offer them in larger classrooms. So there's a lot of planning that goes into that. Okay, in addition to that, we're going to continue to monitor the situation daily. And as you should know from this spring, if we have to make adjustments, we will. Please remember that mitigating the spread of this virus is something that we all do together. It's not something that one person can do. We all have to do it. We take care of each other and we take care of ourselves. We're very pleased with what we've been able to do at a time of budget cuts. And remember, the state asked us to return 10% of our state appropriations. We're not letting anybody go. Our work staff is safe. Our faculty, our staff, all of you are safe. We've got your backs. And that's important. I mean, it's important to have your job right now. For our students, we've done everything we can to help you. We'll continue to do so. I mean, what you do is the most important thing in our lives. You're why we're here. I mean, we'd have no reason to be here if it weren't for you, and we'd have no measure of success except for your success. So I want to thank you all for everything you've done, for joining me in some difficult and unique times. Together, we're going to get through them. It won't be quite normal yet, but it will be eventually. And until normal, the whole normal or the new normal becomes the normal, we'll work through it together. Thank you so much for everything you do. I appreciate it.